This is it. This is our first Patreon giveaway. I'm super excited about this. And first of all, I want to say thank you to everybody that has supported us thus far. And for those of you that are just joining us, we'll tell you in a minute what we've got coming up to be able to give away in December. And as this thing builds, I just hope this stuff gets cooler and cooler. For this giveaway, we're giving away this Boss Katana Mini that we featured in a couple of videos. And you're really going to dig this thing. Justin Ramirez. Number generator, random, pick number 8, went through the list of patrons. He was the 8th person in the list. So Justin Ramirez, shoot me a message, send me your address, and I'm going to send you an amp and the AC converter that goes with it so you can plug it into a wall too. Batteries and plug-in. Thanks for everybody's support. I really appreciate it. Like I said, we've got 3 items coming up this next month. It's going to be 2 different guitar tuners, as well as we have a tube-driven headphone amp that I think you're really going to dig too. Super cool. We posted about it a few days ago. For those of you that are new here or are not yet a part of our Patreon giveaway stuff, you can go to patreon.com/DylanTalksTone and you'll see the details there about how you can actually win gear that we are going to give away when we're done with it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time we do this.